Hello, today I'm going to show you the California fan organic air freshener with Coronado Cherry. It's a 1.5 ounce canister. And as you can see, there is a setup on top, so you can make the volume up or volume down of the dust that's coming out of this product. But first, we have to activate it by open the tin. For this, open the tin opener and then pull it to you. And after this, all the freshness will come out of this huge box. It's an air freshener. Each Spillproof air freshener provides a fresh fragrance for up to 60 days, made with organic and high quality fragrance oils. And as you can see, now you can make a setup. This is small setup. Now let's go to the medium setup and then full setup, so you can switch hard or easy mode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.